President Ramaphosa, dear Mr. President, when are you the last one to talk anything about Operation Tutula? When are you the last one to talk? When I actually President Ramaphosa, when are you the last one to talk, dear Mr. President, your dishonorable Mr. President? You promise about Alexander election Mr. President. There is nothing that you say. How you speak when you lie, it's your native tongue. When you lie, Mr. President. Uklimana Johannesburg not so long ago, and you said that you are surprised by the state of the city. How many years have you been coming to Lutuli House to these meetings at ANC? And you act surprised because there was a G20 coming here. Now I mark out Ramaphosa, the state of the city. How many years? Now you are targeting Operation Tutula. And say we cannot have a vigilante type force like Operation Tutula. Operation Tutula is not a vigilante. Our government how? Including you, Mr. President. How? Is it not a political hot potato for you? Who told you how? A foreign money under mattress in your own house. Who are you, Mr. President? And then when you say that a vigilante force that targets, that do illegal, illegally target other people. How about who are killing illegal foreigners? And then you say they're trying to divide our people on the continent. We are not trying to divide anyone on the continent. This is South Africa. Don't make South Africa as if it is a continent. Mr. President, it shows you are not our president. You are not a president for South Africa. We're not a party. How? You are going to call support Operation Tutula and request support. I'm not a member, but request support. What's my? I've expressed my opinion about Operation Tutula. And let's say which one of their matches and operations where they have broken a law. Rejoice, Mr. President. Your time is up, Mr. President. The security of this country is at stake. Because in this country, the building Senator Johannesburg dilapidated. It is because of them. And issue an explosion. The building dilapidated. We mark it because a brother how that the president said G20 in Johannesburg.